Hello, we are doing circulatory system and today's topic is lymph and lymphatic system. Lymph, it is a faint yellow colored fluid that is contained in the lymph vessels and lymphatic organs like spleen and tonsils. Now when most of the tissue fluids that enters minute channels, okay, that enter the tissue fluids which enters to the minute channel, those channels can be said as lymph vessels, okay, where it is called as lymph. So if we say what is a lymph, lymph is the fluid that flows through the lymphatic system, which is composed of lymph vessels and lymph nodes whose function is to return fluid from the tissues to the central circulation. Now they contain only cellular part, that is WBC, mostly called as lymphocytes, with water and some protein, carbohydrate, fats, enzymes, antibodies, etc. Now we will see a little bit this in detail. Now there are mainly when we talk about in general that lymph is related with the general circulation. It consists of only WBC that we have spoken about, that is mostly lymphocytes. Here there are no blood platelets, okay, and no RBCs are present, okay, that is why it is not red in color, okay, it is faint yellow colored fluid, okay. Lymph supplies oxygen and nutrition to those parts where blood cannot reach, okay. So about the functions we will talk about in detail. Before that, like we will see that here, like in the figure you can see the lymph nodes in the upper body. The main lymph nodes, you can see the lymph flows in the vessels due to the contraction and due to the contraction of the surrounding muscles. This again is beneficial effect of the physical exercises. So the lymph vessels on the way drain lymph into the lymph node, from where fresh lymph channels arises and ultimately pour in the lymph into the major anterior veins close to their entry into the right auricle and is again in the circulation. Now if we are talking about the lymph, so we can say these are those fluid which will flow through the lymphatic system and is not capable to go back through the tissue fluid into the blood vessels. Fine. Now what is when we talk about the composition of lymph, we have already spoken that it contains cellular part, that is only the leukocytes, okay, and non-cellular part, that is water 94%, solids 6%, which will include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, enzymes, antibodies, etc. When we come on to the function of lymph. The function of lymph is as follows, like nutritive in nature. So it supplies nutrition and oxygen to those parts where blood cannot reach, okay. Then drainage, it drains away excess tissue fluid and metabolites and returns proteins to the blood from the tissue spaces. Then absorption, like fat from the intestine are absorbed through lymphatics, okay. Lacteals located in the intestine wall, they help it to absorb the fats. Then it is defensive in mechanism because it has a lymphocytes and monocytes, that is a part of WBC function to defend the body, and the lymphatics also remove bacteria from the tissues. Then the lymph nodes tend to localize the infections and prevent it from spreading it to the body as a whole. The tonsils, the lymphatic organs which we have spoken about, there are two lymphatic organs, the tonsils and the spleen. So the tonsils on the sides of the neck are also lymph glands. So where is the location? Location of the tonsils is the side of the neck. The next organ is the spleen, okay. The spleen is large lymph organ in the abdomen behind the stomach. The location, when we talk about the location, so it has to be written that in the abdomen behind the stomach. It is a large lymphatic organ. It is reddish brown in color and it is present behind the left abdomen behind the stomach, okay, and above the left kidney, left side of the body. Now, what are the functions of the spleen? Okay, so the function of the spleen is that it acts like a blood reservoir. In any emergency such as hemorrhage, physical or emotional stress, or in the carbon monoxide poisoning, the spleen reaches the releases the stored blood into the bloodstream, and it helps. So this blood reservoir is used during the time of emergency by the body. Then it helps in producing the lymphocytes. It also destroys worn out red blood cells. And in an embryo, this is spleen helps in producing the red blood cells. So this was all about the lymphatic system and the organs, lymphatic organs. Thank you.